to budget your life. This is going to be a short but extremely valuable video to a lot of you if you actually take what I'm saying and do it for yourself. You might not want to hear this, but you have to start operating yourself like a business. Now, you have income coming in every day, week, month, whatever the case. You have expenses every day, week, month. What I recommend you do is you go online. There's templates pre-made for you if you look them up, or you could just do it on your own on Microsoft Word, Excel, whatever the case may be. Type out all of your income sources per month, all your expenses per month, and basically do an audit on your personal finances. You got to figure out how much you're usually up or down, give or take a little bit, yeah, because things can come up, emergencies can come up, of course. But you can get a rough idea of how much money you're going to have coming in or how much you are losing every month by doing this. Just literally go on Excel and type it out. Once you do this and can actually visualize, then you can start thinking about, okay, where is my problem here? Is my problem with the income, that I'm not making enough income, or is my problem with my expenses? Do I have too many expenses that some of these are just plain out unnecessary, guys? Like, I can get rid of these. And once you see that in front for your own eyes, you're going to be able to make yourself better in terms of personal finance, because you may be able to cut out some of those expenses. You may be able to think of new ways to make a little more extra side money on the weekends or something, right? And then what I recommend you do is two things once you actually do this. And hopefully by doing this, you can cut out some of those expenses, maybe raise your income a little bit, and get overall in a better financial position to where you are positive each month. Without wasting that money, don't go on a fancy dinner, don't do anything crazy. With that money, you're going to do two things. One, if you are in high interest debt, so I would say this is debt above 4-5%-ish interest, you should pay that debt off first. That is what I recommend you do first. If you don't have any of this debt, the second thing you're going to do is you are going to invest this extra money in something, whether it's stocks, whether it's real estate. Invest that extra money. Now, if you are investing, make sure that your savings account, this is the general rule that I go by. You don't have to trust me. I'm not a financial advisor. But if you have 6 months of your expenses that you just budgeted out, 6 months of that in a savings account, maybe plus, I'll say 5% in a savings account already, this extra money that you're getting every month, once you budget your life out, you can put into investing. And then just keep that 6-month buffer on the side. I made an emergency fund video in the past. It's pretty much the same principle with that, okay? So you're going to take that extra money, you're going to invest it, you're going to grow your money. And then each month, instead of wasting this money on dumb things, you're going to keep investing it and keep building your portfolio. And it's going to take some trial and error too. Don't expect to go in with $50 and become Warren Buffett overnight. It's just not going to happen, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. It's just not going to happen. But you can get a good foundation off your first couple $100s of what to expect in the market. Emotionally, it gets you better with the market, that you can handle the ups, handle the downs, and it'll really put you in a better place going further. And in the future, once you keep accumulating this money into the portfolio and you start getting positive gains and you keep compounding this on top of each other, guys, you're going to see phenomenal growth, and it's really going to set you up well, whether you're investing safely in index funds or ETFs, or if you take the time to learn and pick individual stocks, you can see some huge gains for you in the future. And if you're smart about it in your younger years, because I feel like a lot of people watching this will be younger, you can set yourself up so nice in your 30s and 40s. So nice. You just got to be patient and be smart with it. Don't spend money on dumb shit. If you have expenses that you really don't need, cut them out. Like, I'll give you a couple examples. If you're buying your own groceries, right? And you usually spend a ton of money on maybe frozen food, because that tends to be more expensive. Or if you eat out a lot, expensive fast food. If you're spending $10 a day on fast food, find out ways to change that up. Maybe if you're craving fast food all the time, you can spend $5 instead. That's half of what you normally spend, and that extra money could end up being invested at the end of the month because you're not getting any more expenses. You're just finding ways to lessen the blow of your needs in food. Right? Grocery shopping. You don't have to eat super healthy at your grocery shopping, but be smart about what you buy. Be smart about what you buy. That could lower your expenses too by a dramatic amount. And then again, that extra money could get invested because it's just extra money that you would not have had otherwise. And then you could see your investments grow through that. So if you guys have any questions about this, feel free to contact me. Let me know if you actually budget out for yourself, and if you need help on possibly cutting down your expenses. I'm not a financial advisor, but I can maybe help you out. As we're in our infancy on this channel here, I'm trying to grow a little bit, and I want you guys to all have a better financial future. So if you like this video, drop me one of these, subscribe to the channel, and we got plenty more coming in the future. Take care, guys, and have a great day.